Nile, I'm 19, and this is my ride.
I'm just crazy enough to put a river in a car.
Aw, that is crazy. Oh, yeah! Right now, my Cadillac makes me feel like I'm on top of the world. Thank you, MTV, for pimping my ride.